nagkaroon ng bagong home, nagkaroon ng bagong bahay ang ating mga Kawasaki owners. Kaya umasa po kayo na ang Kawasaki ay patuloy na magbibigay sa inyo ng mga quality motorcycles. First, Kawasaki Specialty Store in South Cotabato.
Subok ito gano'n man kalayo, motorcycles na walang kapantay, hangad namin ang inyong tagumpay. One cycle.
So source of blessings. If we do our work well, whatever it may be, and offer it to God, we purify ourselves and to the labor of our hands and minds, we build up God's creation. Our work enables us to practice charity.
Ang bawat parts ay naririto, serbisyo namin ay garantisado. Umaga man hanggang gabi, kami maglilingkod sa inyong tabi. Branded bikes para sa inyo, subok ito gano'n man kalayo, motorcycles na walang kapantay, hangad namin ang inyong tagumpay.
For the information of everyone, we are very happy to say that we are the first Kawasaki Specialty Store to conduct a grand opening here in Mindanao. So congratulations, OCM.